So P this, guys. We really do this. We really do this. Yeah, we really do this. And I'm actually moving right now. I'm on the road. I'm moving back home, but I have to stop and show you guys this. Yeah, look at this. $83 running. $83 running from 68 to 152. Yeah, things are simple. Look at this. We set our entry here. Put our stop loss below structure. Look where our take profits are. Look where our take profit is. And look at the accuracy of this analysis. Yeah, look at what happened here. So pick this. When price broke this trend line here, I was like, okay, it's time to go to the upside. But I was not going just to enter trades, no? I don't enter trades just blindly. So what I had to do. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Top Tier Forex G. As you can see right now, we're in this USDCAD trade. Yeah. Let me show you what's basically happening here. Price has broken up out of our beautiful trend line. We have had the retest of a key level. Then look at what happening on the 4-hour time frame. Price is rolling to the upside, and I'm planning to take my profits up this side where this trend line is, or this next key level here. But as for now, we shall hold it. Let me check on the 1 hour. The 1 hour is doing beautiful. As you can see, price broke out of the key level, give us some weak rejections, showing us that the sellers pressure has reduced and the buyers are kicking in. And look at this. The moment I saw this candle here pushing the upside, I knew it was time to buy, and I bought. And look at what is happening here. A break and retest, giving us more confirmation that this is actually still going to the upside. So guys, yeah, that's a quick breakdown, but I'll be dropping a full breakdown of this trade here. But as for now, let's hold it and see what happens. I'll be back with an update of this. Thank you. To do is wait for price to break this previous key level here. You see this key level here. When price broke that key level, as you can see, price broke it, came back for the retest, gave us a weak rejection here, and look at this here. This is a hammer, guys. This is a hammer chart pattern. This is a hammer. After this, I put my buy stop above. I knew the trade was going to go in my direction. Yeah. After that happened, I was like, let's go. And look at what happened. Look at what happened. We are shooting to the upside. Look at what happened. Price is still making higher highs and higher lows. That means we're going to the upside. Yeah. This is too simple. Look at this. Let me close some positions. Let me close some positions for you guys. Let me close some positions for you guys. Closing positions for you guys. Yeah. We gotta bank in some positions. Yeah. Take it to 100. Let's take it to 120. Account flipped. So we're going to leave those running, right? Yeah, we're going to leave those running. And this is a real account. Don't we know demos here, man? Look at this. Real account, baby. Don't we know demos here? Get out with that demo shit. We don't know demos here, man. So subscribe. Since it's a real account, subscribe real quick. Demos here, man. No, nothing like those demos, man. Let me put my stop loss at break even. Yeah? Break even right here. 3606. 3606. 1.3606. Yeah. 3606. 3606. 3606. Yeah. We really do this. We really do this. So simple. So simple. Yeah. So simple. And I'm going to be teaching you guys this strategy here. This simple strategy. Yeah. I'm going to be uploading a breakdown of this. So make sure you get tuned in. If you're not subscribed, you're going to miss out on this. Yeah. Who else does this? Who else does this? Who else does this? Tell me. Look at this. Clean break and retest. The textbook break and retest. Textbook break and retest. Yeah. We're simply reading chart patterns and chart behavior. Bullish momentum. You have a break and retest. Yeah. On the 1 hour time frame, we have a break. Weak rejections here. Momentum candle. Enter that trade. 30 minutes time frame. What patterns do we have here? Yeah. We have a ball. and the break and retest of that cup. We have actually a cup here, or you can call it consolidation. Then you have the break and retest of the consolidation. Enter the trade on the immediate retest of the consolidation. You see that? On the immediate retest of the consolidation, enter that trade. Look at what happened. Price is going to the upside. Yeah. In fact, let me close one more to really solidify this. Yeah. You have solidified this.